whānei, ko Sama tōku ingoa.
Ko Cameron ahau.
We go to the Kura Tāniata and we've been fundraising for Te Mana Kuratahi for students to perform.
Over here we have Dani Koi rings.
They come in all sorts of colours, purples, blue, red, orange, yellow,
Green.
and we've also been making harakeke bouquets for people to buy. They cost around $35 and $10 and you can find them at Te Kura Tāniata on our Facebook page or contact one of the school teachers to find out how much you could get it.